Hello friends, welcome to my new video. In this video, I will teach you how to draw a Mickey Mouse. So cute drawing! So don't forget to subscribe this channel and watch my other videos. So let's draw! You start to draw a nose like this and coloring. Next, you draw the eyes like this. You can draw the mouth, well, like this. Next step, you draw a big circle. Whoa, like this. Now you draw these lines and make a curved line like this and color in. Nice! Next step, you draw the circle here like this, and right side and left side. You draw a circle here like this and color in. Whoa, so cute, Mickey. You draw his body like this. Make a curved line like this and draw a line here. Whoa, and color in this part. Whoa, so cute! Next, you draw two circles. 1, 2. Whoa, so nice, so cute, Mickey. Next, you can draw legs like this. Left side and right side. Draw a line here, here, and connect them. And color in inside. Whoa, so cute. Next, you draw the juice of the Mickey Mouse. Like this. Draw a circle, right side and left side, like this. Draw a big circle. Whoa, so cute. Next, you draw the arms, like this. Draw a line here, like this, and connect it and color in. Whoa, so cute. Next step, you draw the hands like this. Draw this and make a curved line here. Whoa, so cute! You can draw 1, 2, 3 lines. Now you can draw 1, 2 lines and connect it and color inside. This is a right arm. Now you draw his hand like this. Draw a line here and here. Whoa, so cute! And connect. Now you can draw a line here. Whoa, so cute! If you like this video, yes, so don't forget to subscribe this channel and like this video. See you the next video. Bye!